Canva Brand Kit help you add your brand logos, fonts, colors, graphics, and charts so all your designs stay consistent and professional in just few clicks. So to create a brand kit, first let's go to the Canva website, and you can the left side you can see the brand. Just click on that, and in the create a new brand kit, you can click on add a new, and so this I'm going to create it for my training institution, which is Indras Academy. So after that, you can see that so we can add logos, colors, fonts, multiple things. So let's see how to add them one by one. All right. So first I'm going to add logos so that so this logos can be used in your designs. All right. So let me just click this, and I have already prepared all the details. Example logos. Let me go, and I want to add these two logos in my design, so I'm going to add them. All right. So perfect. So what happens when you add these logos? So whenever you are designing the social media posters and thumbnails and all, so from like you can directly use these logos, and I'll be showing you. So after adding all the brand kits, I'll show you how you can add them to your designs. All right. First, let me add all the brand kit details. Then we'll go and use them in your designs. All right. Okay. So now let me add a colors. So whatever the brand colors that you have, please go ahead and add them over here. Okay. So if you click on this, you can add the brand colors. Okay. So for our company, we have our brand colors. So let me take them. So here we have colors like so for a primary color, these are all primary colors that we use it for our brand. So let me add them one by one. All right. So this will be my first one, and I'm going to add a few more. So this is my second color. All right, and I wanted to add one more color, which is this. All right. So you can see I have added all the brand colors. If you wanted, you can also rename this like primary colors. All right, like this. So you can also add like this. So you can also add secondary colors. So click here and make a copy, and I'm going to write secondary colors. All right. And here I want to use only two secondary colors. The first one is the white color, and the second one will be a black color. Okay. So like this, you can add your colors. Okay. Now let me go show you how we can add the fonts also, so that you can use in your designs. So first, generally we add headings and subheadings and the body text, right? So for a heading, so I have again fonts. I want to use Montserrat. So let me add that for my main headings, right? So let me search that. So this one I wanted to add. So I'll go for the extra bold. And then the size, what I recommend you is the 48. All right. So let me add 48 over here, and it will be a bold. Okay. So this, then click here. And next I wanted also subheading. Let's click on this, and font. I'm going to use the same, but I will use semi bold. And this I'm going to use 36. All right. So this is also done. And next let's add the body also. So body, I think I'm going to use the Open Sans font, Open Sans font, this one. All right. So the regular one that I'm going to use, and the size will be 16. It will be perfect. I'll be using the 16 only. Then save. So like this, you can add your fonts so that you can use them in your designs. So next will be the brand voice. Okay. So what exactly brand voice, right? So you can tell the tone and do's and don'ts and your audience targeting. So you can add that to in the brand voice so that the Canva can add that in your designs. So that is the reason I'll show you where to apply this brand voice and all, how to use this brand voice and all. So let me add my brand voice. I have already prepared, so let me take this brand voice. You can see our voice is friendly, expert, and supportive. We communicate like a knowledgeable mentor who genuinely wants students to succeed. So like that I have prepared. So let me add this. Then later I'll show you how you can use this brand voice. Okay, let me click here and add my brand voice and then save it. All right. And next, I'm going to add the photos, which I'm going to use regularly in my designs. So just click on this and let's go to Grand Canva Brand Kit and photos. So these are the photos that I wanted to use. Just upload them. All right. So next, I actually use graphics also. So let me add some graphics also. Okay, I think fully done. So let me add some graphics also. Click on this. So I have graphics also. So these graphics that I'm going to add. Let's select all of them and add them. All right. I think fully uploaded. Perfect. So, and now I'm going to, because I'll also use the icons. Let me also add the icons, the important icons. Let's go to icons. Then I have selected some icons over here. So let me add them. All right. So I have also added the icons also over here. Perfect. All right. Okay. So now let's add the charts colors. So I'll show you where these colors will be applied. So first let me add the charts colors. All right. Click here. And actually I wanted to use my brand colors. Example, the first one I wanted to use it. Okay, like this. Okay, and I'll show you how where this colors will be displayed. All right, so you can see that from the beginning, if you see, I have added the logos, and right, so I have added the logos, and I have also added the colors as well. You can see all the primary and secondary colors also I have added. And next, fonts, like what fonts you have to use in the designs. So I have also added that. And next, I have also added the brand voice and also photos and graphics and icons and even charts, right? So everything I have added. So now let's go and design one banner so that how we can add this. Let me show you. Okay, guys. So now let's go and design the banner. Just click create, and I'm going to take 1080 into 1080 pixels. All right. And if you want to add your brand kit like logos, fonts, colors, everything to your design, what you have to do is just go to a brand and you can see that. So whatever the logos we have added, colors we have added, the fonts, the brand voice, photos, everything, you can see all of them here. You just have to click. For example, you wanted to use a logo, I just click here. All right, so that I can adjust it and I can use my logo. If you want to add the fonts, so for example the heading, so I'm going to write like grow your business with us, like this. All right. So now if you wanted to add the colors, the brand colors, select the text, go to text color, and you can see that so your company brand primary colors and secondary colors also displaying. All right. So for example, I can click on this. You can see it is applied. Correct. So this is how you can add your fonts and your colors, logos, and all. Let me go back to brands. And then, for example, if I wanted to add some photos over here, right? So let me keep this and make it like this. Okay. Like this. If I would like to add some photos over here, I can go to brand kit and you can see already whatever the photos we have uploaded. Now we can see over here, right? So let's go and click on this and I can use this in my designs, right? Okay, for example, if you wanted to use the graphics, so you can use them. So you can actually use this graphics for your backgrounds, right? So like this, right? And also if you would like to add your icons, right? So you can also add icons to your designs. So like I was telling you about the charts, you can see whatever the color that we have added, right? So if you go back and see your charts, so over here we have applied this color, right? So for example, you can see the charts color is that. Okay. So for example, if I change this color to some other color, for example, right? So let me refresh this and you can see the charts color how it will be. Let's go to brand kit and you can see the colors have changed, right? So that's the reason we use this charts. So if you wanted to use that charts, you can use with that same colors. Okay. So like this, we can add the logos, the colors, fonts, and let me also show you the brand voice also. Let's close this. For example, if I take one design, for example, let me take this design. Okay, for example, just click here, click on magic right, change the voice, the apply brand voice. So it will generate the content for us. You can see boost your business with our digital expertise. So you can replace also. Okay. So like this. So let's go and change little bit of line spacing and now you can use it. I think I'll remove the double quotations here. Look at this. Like this, it will apply the brand voice. Okay. So that is the reason we have added the brand voice also. Okay. So I hope you understood how you can create your brand kit and how you can add your logos, your fonts, colors, photos, and graphics and icons and chart colors. So how you can add those brand kit, all the details to your designs. So hope you understood. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.